How to make a quick photo collage using your Samsung Galaxy A55 phone without installing any additional apps. This is using the Gallery app of your Galaxy A55 phone. You just took some pictures and you want to quickly make a collage to share with your friends and family. So go into the gallery here, and of course you'll look for the photos that you want to do this with. So for me, I'll simply go into here now and I'm going to select some photos so to give you an idea of how this looks. So to select multiple photos at the same time, long press just one of them first and you'll notice the option to select some more. So I'll go ahead now and select these other here. You can and is limited to, I believe, 4 to 6 photos. Once you've made your selection, you'll go to the bottom section here where it says create. When you select create, you'll see the option to make either one of these here. You want to go to collage. As you enter into the collage section here, you will now be able to choose the layout, the style, and the color for your borders. So when you do this here now, simply just go ahead and choose one of these. It's up to you to make this selection here. Okay, and with every style, you can choose the layout and size, adjusting the photos. So by that, what I mean is you can select a photo here and you can adjust, like zoom in, zoom out, and move it around to where you want it to be. So this can be done for every photo here. Now, on top of that here, once you're done with that there, you can change the aspect ratio here with one of these, and you can make that selection, whether you want it to be bigger or smaller, okay? Then you have the colors of the borders and the thickness of the borders. So this here will make it, as you can see, rounder. And then this is the thickness of the borders here. And whether you choose it to be this way or what, you can also choose the colors down here, right? You got your color picker here as well, getting a larger set of colors here. And once you're done with all of these changes, let's just say I do this here, I can do that there for this one here, and then this one becomes like that, and then this one zoom in like that. And once you're done, what you can do now is simply press save, and that is going to create your collage for you. It's going to create a new album in your gallery app. If it's your first time doing this, call the collage here and you'll see it there. And then every time you create another collage, it's going to save here and you can always have them to share with your friends and family. Like and sub.